What is going on, guys? It is Murph from Josh and Murph, and I got another dash of Adobe Adobo.
Sorry.
Josh is off camera. I want to talk about cinematic letterboxing. Letterboxing is a way to make your footage look more cinematic, and there's a couple ways to do it. What I like to do is put an adjustment layer over all my footage and then go to the effects tab and search for crop. Then you're gonna put that crop on the adjustment layer and it's gonna affect everything below it. So once you have that there, you can kind of set whatever parameter you like. I like to use 12% up top and then 12% down bottom. If you want to go a little bit thicker, you can go 18, 18, whatever you really want. A little thick boy. Or you can just change the whole game and hit like 40 on them, real thick. There's a lot of ways you can do a letterbox and everybody does them different. So comment down below and let me know how you do your letterboxes, and if you tried this out, let us know how it worked out for you. Make sure you hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button, follow Josh and Murph on every social media. We're gonna be putting out a lot of new content for you guys. And we need like a tagline.
See you soon, dudes.